little bit of rose grenadine, itty bitty can of pineapple, a little bit of Malibu here, and some of this, I don't know how to say it, blue curacao stuff, and a little bit of water.
It smells good.
Yeah, take 1 ounce of rose grenadine, put her in the bottom just like so. Take your pineapple juice, put her in a jar, mix her up with a little bit of rum here.
Hell yeah.
Well, you kind of remind me of Tom Cruise off a Cocktail.
What? What's it called?
Tom Cruise off a Cocktail.
Never seen it.
Isn't that a movie?
About 2 ounces, ounce and a half. Give that a little, mix it up, swish it up. The key here, if I don't mess
Soft
it up
pour.
too bad, pour it softly. So
The idea is your colors stack on top of each other.
yeah. So you're
Pouring me softly.
you been drinking?
No, not yet.
Because you're singing. So
This seems like about the last cocktail that you'd ever drink, Woody. I've known you for a long time, and I don't think I've ever seen you drink anything.
I'm not a great big fan, but I know a lot of people out there don't just like beer. So kind of, see right there.
You-
You went a little too hard?
Yeah, pour hard.
I'm just glad there's a straw on it, because if there's a straw on it, it means you get drunker quicker.
Is that a fact?
Oh, yeah.
They say it is. Is it?
Oh, yeah.
I'm not a straw drinker.
So after
in
you guys
here-
leave at night, I drink everything out from a straw.
I can understand why. I can see why, guys. So we got a little of this blue stuff in here.
Keto.
And an ounce of this and an ounce of water. They mix it up real good. That supposedly makes it lighter than your pineapple juice. Now, take a spoon, put her here, and pour gently.
Tips and tricks. Look at that.
And that
Keeps that blue on top.
keeps supposed to keep the blue
The spoon's upside down.
on the floor too.
Oh, wow.
Put it the other way.
It's a good thing I got help in here tonight because I really don't know what I'd be doing with myself.
So this is called Smurf piss, or what is this called?
You can call it whatever the hell you want to.
It looks good.
But it is a paradise cocktail, folks.
Where'd you find this at, Woody?
Again, I sourced it out of the Hy-Vee
Are you kidding?
Seasons.
IV Seasons.
They are killing
Let me
it,
see
guys.
that.
They do a heck of a good job. They cover it all.
Show the people at home what we're, Seasons.
Hy-Vee Seasons.
Yeah.
Holy cow.
They
They
got
come up with some good
some
stuff.
super food in there. They got, look at that. I almost actually did
It
that
does
right.
look just like the...
Not quite, but right there, folks.
Yeah.
Well done.
Rainbow
Try.
Paradise Cocktail.
Even if it
Cheers.
tastes like crap, it looks cool.
It's only supposed to take 5 minutes to
Now,
make
pull
it.
off that.
Well, first I need to take a
1 ounce
picture
of
that.
grenadine, 1 cup of crushed ice, 4 ounces of Hy-Vee 100% no sugar added pineapple juice, chilled, 2 ounces of coconut flavored rum, 1 ounce of water, half ounce of blue cacao,
Cacharo?
Cacao.
I don't know how to say it. Caro. I don't
orange slice for a garnish.
know. If desired.
That's a beautiful looking drink,
It's
man.
pretty good
Got more
looking,
than
man.
that. What's the garnish?
It's a lot easier to make than that peach mojito.
You
Yeah,
didn't, you
it's-
didn't stir it
I didn't
to mix
stir
all
it.
the stuff together?
I don't know what you're supposed
So
to
if I
do.
drink it, I'm just going to get the blue
Well,
stuff.
hold that up with
Here.
the camera real quick, because that's a good looking. Look at that
I don't know
drink.
what to
I
do
think
with
that's
it.
initial appearance, yes, then stir.
Oh, you want to mix the flavors,
Looks
right?
cool.
What do you think,
Yeah.
Jen?
I think it's great.
I think you pull the
Do
straw up.
Are you supposed
and you
to
just
stir
go-
it? What do you? I don't know. What's Facebook say? Stir it?
No, it just says drink it layer at a time. Layer it on.
Destroy it. It's fruity. It's too fruity for me. I don't care for it myself. But
I get a lot of the rum. I'm not a big fan of that.
the coconut rum, Malibu.
But I
That's
can
pretty
see
good.
people would really love that.
You like it?
It's a smooth, easy drinking.
That's a really good drink.
Yeah.
Way to go,
It's
Woody.
just for you, Jimmy.
Well,
I tell you
I'll
what, I
drink
got
that
right
sucker.
here out of this magazine. They got another one here where you freeze some stuff and mix it together or put it in a blender. But last time I touched the blender, it kind of.
You know, when I started having one, I envisioned us
Check it
just
out.
opening a can, drinking a beer.
Yeah.
It's getting really complicated.
Simon says chug it.
This one.
Yeah, it's just a little bit of Malibu in there. I mean,
Brain freeze.
Will Schulte says, "Am I drunk or are you guys sideways?"
What'd you say?
Will Schulte says, "Am I drunk or are you guys sideways?"
Oh, we probably are sideways.
We are sideways.
Turn your
Yeah,
phone,
You
Will.
might be drunk too.
If you turn your
Will.
phone, like
Yeah,
it's
turn your phone, Will. It'll be okay, buddy.
Are we sideways?
probably.
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's a little too early to be sideways.
One of these days we'll figure it out, guys.
Should we turn
We're
the camera
trying.
sideways?
No, I think it's fine.
Okay.
So,
what's happening?
first thing I want to talk about is if you guys are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, Jimmy's been killing it on the YouTubes and putting a bunch of content on there. He's got some original beer reviews. He's putting some of our old podcasts on there, as well as most of these lives are going on there too, right?
Oh yeah, and we have 140 podcasts.
Yeah, something.
So
like
I've got like the rest of this year and next year to keep putting podcasts on,
that. Yeah, and those
and
are
we're going to keep making more.
those are just audio only, but like I said, Jimmy has been doing some original content too. So
Yeah, and the funny thing is, I'm getting more hits on the podcasts than I am the videos. So people
Must
people
be your
love
face.
listening.
Check it out,
People
guys.
love
Yeah.
listening to it.
Get over there and check it out, I guess is what I'm saying. For
get,
sure.
get on our YouTube because it'd be really cool to start going YouTube live because the video is so much better quality, you know, and things like that. But get on our YouTube channel, like us, hit the little bell. There's a little bell there that you click on, and that way, anytime we do anything, it alerts you, lets you know that, you know, you get home at night, you just get on your TV and you can watch us just like you watch the Big Bang Theories.
The what?
The Big Bang Theories. You
you
know,
watch that on YouTube.
well, I bet you probably can.
Well, check it out, I suppose, huh?
Otherwise, I was up at the State Fair last week. There are, 2 days left of the State Fair. If you haven't got up there, you should. There's a lot of really good beers up there.
How was the?
The Pickle Tickle
Yeah.
from Barntown was pretty good. I actually prefer beer and a spear because you can
Adjusted.
really pickle it up if you like, or, you know, but it was really good beer.
Mhm.
I don't know, I drank a lot of them. That Iowa craft beer tent there is freaking awesome.
Recommend it, huh?
Yeah.
Highly.
Yes.
What was your favorite beer of the fair?
Probably the King Sue that I brought with me.
Now, I
They
think
had
fair
King Sue.
enough.
They did have King Sue there, but
Yeah.
you know how I am. I have to say something. I thought it was really neat that you and your wife are on live those 2 times from the fair. That was really good.
It was
you know,
romantic.
your wife was having a good time. You guys were having a great time. Then get to see your kids, you know, playing around and having.
did you see the bottle flip video?
That was
pretty cool.
crazy.
Yeah, that was good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was crazy.
That was fun.
So, you know,
It took a long time to make. That video is only like, 50 seconds long or something. But I would stand there for a half hour at a time and watch them.
To the bottle.
You just hit record and they just flip these bottles, and then when they finally make it, you'd cut all the first stuff out.
Great.
that was
Patched
really
up.
cool. Yeah. But so even though we missed you last week, it looks like you had some family time. So we're glad you're back, though.
I'm glad to be back. Now you went to go to a concert over the weekend.
Oh yeah, went and watched Rob Zombie and Marilyn Manson.
You get in the pit?
They wouldn't let me in.
Age limit?
Oh yeah. No, it was a good concert. Had a good time.
What's going on back there? You got anybody chiming in on there, or fill us in, dude?
Simon still wants to see somebody chug that thing.
Why don't you tell Simon to come here and chug one?
That'll be, I don't know. Matt Foltz
He had to
says,
wash his hair.
"Hey
he said, or
Nation,
something.
check out Smoking Up Main Street in Center Point this weekend.
Smoking up Main Street.
BBQ comp and
Oh, it's
vending
barbecue.
all
Oh,
day
yeah.
long.
Where was that again?
I thought maybe it was some kind of a legalize it movement.
Well, I
or
didn't
something.
know, but
Smoking
what-
Up Main Street.
Main Street where?
Smoking Up Main Street, Center Point.
Center Point.
Center Point.
Times to start. 20 after 4?
I didn't get that.
Probably you'd be a good.
Well, hey.
They start serving, huh?
Center Point this weekend, everybody.
Check
You
it
know,
out, guys.
Check it out.
Yeah.
Folks, if you're there and you don't see anybody, I expect some,
Give us some feedback for sure.
yeah, throw a video up.
Check it
Feed
out.
bags are awesome.
Feedback.
Let Jim.
Are we talking about feed bags?
I think we've been.
Yep.
I thought somebody said feed bag.
This is my first time in the studio, and it's.
Like
I like
going
it.
on back
I
there.
love it.
Yeah, it's pretty
Yeah.
cool.
I think Jimmy did a nice job
Yeah,
here.
I had to drink a lot of beers to make this thing, but
It's all dedicated to the book.
So I know we're sideways, and last week we were a little blurry, but we're working on some of those technical difficulties. We're going to get her ironed out one of these days.
yeah, hopefully, who bought Coon Creek?
I don't know.
USAA Communications.
That's not right either, Jimmy, but that's
Yeah,
okay.
it is. It's USAA Communications.
Is it?
We need faster internet. Hashtag. So, give us faster internet out in the country. We'd appreciate it.
So, I'm thinking.
Oh, t-shirts.
T-shirts, yeah.
T-shirts are going to be in
T-shirts.
next week, guys, and I think we haven't decided on a location yet, but I think we're going to try to go live Thursday night, and we're going to have those shirts with us. So we might do it from Norway or Walford or even in Cedar Rapids somewhere, and then maybe you can come and meet us, and we'll try to disperse some of those shirts. If you know personally any of us or any of the members of Havin one,
We're sorry.
For what?
yeah, for knowing us.
Jimmy.
But if you know any of us personally, like if you're say
Yeah.
Jim's coworker or something, make Jim pick up your damn shirt
Yeah, let's. Yeah.
because we're trying to eliminate any form of shipping costs because we already got plenty of costs in these shirts.
Right.
All right.
Adam, you know anybody got any shirts? No.
Did you order one?
You
We
didn't order one either?
We should give another shout out to Paul for making them. I mean,
Yeah. Shout
Thank-
out to Paul.
thank you, Paul, for making those T-shirts.
Making that happen for us over here. Zach, are you in paradise? I think you're missing the cherry.
It tastes like a
That, it really is a good drink, Woody.
It's pretty fruity.
So your wife really liked it then?
Laura likes it.
Good. Good deal. Babe, you like it? It's a really good drink.
It's really hard for the Havin one Facebook to see you nod when you don't say yes or no either. Okay, never mind. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
This beard, it's starting to get in the way. I'm thinking about shaving it.
So what all beers do they have down there at the state fair? They had like 150 or something.
Been a lot of them.
What was your most memorable beer you had while you were down there?
It's probably the pickle beer would be the
Pickle
the
beer is
most.
that?
This everything else we'd either had or
Yeah.
like they had King Sue. Toppling was supposed to have Dragon Fandango there. It wasn't there during my stay. I checked like every couple
Daily?
hours. I drove down there and they like. Are you good at reading lips?
Yeah, your battery's about dead.
Oh, okay.
Nailed it.
Perfect.
So, fair was good.
cables.
No, that ain't gonna do nothing. Anyways, we had State Fair was good, beers was good, no Fandango.
no real standouts. I wouldn't say, but there was a lot of good people, a lot of fun there. Like I met some random people in the beer tent, and
Cool.
just like the one people I drank with for like an hour and a half. Got back to the cows, and my wife was like, "Where have you been?" Oh, we just made some new friends.
That's
Cows
always
aren't- the
cool.
cows are not
And they
gonna
stopped. They
help
actually
themselves.
stopped by every day after that. They
Nice.
came by my stalls, and I offered them up a beer. They didn't want one for some reason, but
They probably had a headache, huh?
I don't know. We were getting after it pretty hard.
That's
Awesome.
always pretty cool.
It was a pretty good price too. I mean, you could try 9 beers for $20. They were just the sample glass. They had a bunch of different.
8
You could either get big
ounce
glasses.
or-
These were probably smaller, 6
Okay.
ounces maybe.
I got some of those in the tub there.
Yeah.
Yeah, they were probably cups about that size.
Right.
And but you could get 9 of them, so you could try
All right, cool.
9 beers. They had a corn dog beer.
What the heck was a corn dog?
I heard about
it
that.
tasted
yeah.
a little like a porter, I'd say maybe.
Really?
And then they also had a caramel apple, deep fried apple pie. Barntown made that, and it was okay.
I had
It
seen
wasn't like
that at Hy-Vee today. I believe it was there.
really.
Yeah. They had no, maybe it was apricot, and I don't know. They had Barntown had 2 beers right there in a crowler that are